that I was on your mind.
Què vol dir enzimar?
Past 3 in the
Olorar.
No ho sé, tampoc. Aquest no lo sé. No ho sé, no ho sé.
Posar una cosa sobre l'altra.
Encimar tampoc em sona.
Encimar.
O posar sobre l'encimera de la cuina.
Pujar dalt.
that you're dreaming of me too, but it's true. You only go around, round, round. You only go around.